Big Bang cosmology is an extension of the Bible, of the story of how God has created universe. In the Bible is written that God has created universe in 6 days, and the seventh day he rested. He just take off. So before there was nothing, there was only God, according to the Bible. And then God decided, okay, let's make a universe. I'm getting a bit bored. And he was working 6 days and everything was done. And then he said, okay, now I can relax. The Big Bang model is just an extension of this idea that the God created universe. But in scientific version of this biblical story, God has created universe out of nothing and just in a fraction of time. But otherwise, the fundaments of the biblical story, how universe was created and of the Big Bang are the same, are totally equal. There was a creator, there was a God that created universe. So Big Bang cosmology is not a science. Big Bang cosmology is religion. This is how religion has entered science, with the Big Bang cosmology. If you follow my videos on that subject, and if your brain is working, then you can see that the Big Bang cosmology is an absolute nonsense. Big Bang cosmology is pseudoscience. It's not science. This is pseudoscience. And we recently published an article with the friends, with the colleagues, about evidence-based cosmology, so that we start building cosmological model on what we can see and what we can measure in the universe. Big Bang cosmology is not evidence-based. All the proofs for the Big Bang cosmology are misinterpreted. Okay. Big Bang cosmology is using astronomical data, misinterpret this astronomical data and say, you see, we have proof. No, they don't have a single proof for this big explosion, and everything is just invented. Big Bang cosmology is a school example of the total fall of scientific methodology. You know, in science we have a methodology how science works. First, we observe a phenomena, then we develop a mathematical model that describes this phenomena, and at the end we design an experiment that will prove or disprove the phenomena. Okay, this is how science works. And this Big Bang was never observed. Nobody have seen this. But this is not the only nonsense. Everything in the Big Bang theory is absolute nonsense. Expanding of the universe, existence of some physical time in which universe exists. No, universe does not exist in time. Universal space is time invariant. There is no past, present, future in the universe. In the universe is only now, and this now is eternity itself. I know this is a big jump for science, for physics, but we cannot progress physics without this jump. I know some people will be angry. Some people will think that I'm crazy, that I'm stupid, but some people will got the point. And we need on the planet, we need only five physicists that will get this. It's enough. And I'm doing my job. I'm looking to find five physicists which are teaching at important universities that will say, okay, let's stop this Big Bang nonsense. Only five, it's enough. So please write me on my mail, and we should really uh, publish few articles more that we stop this nonsense. After that our article was published, I sent my invitation for the special uh, edition about cosmology, and this special edition name is Advances of Cosmology. Actually, the exact term is evidence-based cosmology. And the subtitle is Advances of Cosmology Beyond Big Bang Model. Advances of Cosmology Beyond Big Bang Model. And I sent this invitation to 20 top cosmologists in the world. The most known cosmologists in the world, I send them this invitation. And nobody, for now, nobody answered. Nobody write me back. Okay. If you want to teach this absolute nonsense at universities next 100 years, it's not my fault. So I wish good day, everybody.